Ever tried to hold in a sneeze? You might want to stop doing that. When you suppress a sneeze, all that pressure has to go somewhere, and it is dangerous. It can cause a ruptured eardrum, burst blood vessel, or even a brain aneurysm in rare cases. Doctors have reported cases of people damaging their throat or even fracturing ribs from one held-in sneeze. A sneeze can travel over 160 kilometers per hour. Your body is built to release it. Stopping that force is like clamping a pressure bomb inside your head. Not smart. So next time you feel it coming, you just let it out. Your body will thank you.